Don't let this bliss be in vain, this is all I got left. And they ain't never been outside. Took life on one clip, but with all due respect, no. Not to be trusted in this state of mind. I pray you don't get left behind. Left behind. Pray, don't worry, what a waste of time. I pray you don't get left behind. Before our thoughts were worth less than a dime, our granny sent prayers that transmit to the sky. This ain't what you wanted for me, please don't cry. As your sent to protect you was on the warpath. No matter who you pray to, you can't ignore that. If it cost you your life, could you afford that? No, left behind. Pray, don't worry, what a waste of time. I pray you don't get left behind.
አልፈራም በፍቅር ውስጥ ሰማሁ